Well, I like it because it's brick.
Most of the FSU fans.
Yeah, like everywhere.
Most of the FSU fans.
This weekend. Is Kayla still planning to go to Georgia? I think so. I think so. Got to Miami, and I figured I'd vlog it, staying for the weekend. It's kind of a last-minute decision. Kaya, say hi to the vlog.
What?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Okay, Kaya, I have to go home.
And yeah, I'm gonna explain in a sec why we're here, but this is our view. That's the ocean, and then downtown is back there. I'm gonna explain it in a sec, but I'm gonna vlog this weekend. It's super cold right now, but it's not actually super cold. It's just kind of windy. Like, I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear this. I don't know how good this sound, but it's just gonna be right behind me vlogging again. This is our view. We come here every year to this exact hotel. I've decided that this hotel is my aesthetic, and like I'm really here for it. I don't know if I'm going the wrong way. I think I'm lost in the hotel. Oh my god, I just recorded a really cool clip and realized I wasn't recording. We have a story. We saw Snooki and the cast of Jersey Shore. Tell the story, Brayden.
So, we were walking down the street, and we saw a bunch of people, paparazzis, in this restaurant.
Alright, he can't tell a story. So we were walking down the street and we were gonna go eat in this restaurant, and there was
exactly what I said.
There was a ton of people outside the restaurant. They all were wearing black, and they were wearing like had cameras and like filming stuff. And what? And
oh, look, he's asking us.
there was like a hold on. Anyways. There was a ton of people like looking inside the restaurant and wondering what was going on. And so all of a sudden, all the paparazzi...
What's that guy trying to do?
Get a taxi? All the paparazzi was walking out, and they were like, oh my gosh, I don't know where they are. Like, where are they? I don't know where they went. And I was like, what? And then they pose outside of the... No, I'm good. They pose outside of the restaurant, and then Snooki and the rest of the cast of Jersey Shore walks out of the restaurant, and the paparazzi follows them. And I'm shook. Y'all know how much I love celebrities. All right. No, I'm fine.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not.
We had dinner at Five Guys. Now we're walking South Beach. Good morning. What time is it?
10, 11, noon.
I don't know.
12:15.
Anyways, we're going down to the pool, the beach, the everything. Brayden, you look like Jacob's Aquarius.
I look like Jacob.
You guys got all the cords out of the room, right?
Well, yeah.
I got the big cord that was on the ground.
Yeah.
That.
I thought it was a shower. Alright. Like, what is this? Very cool.
Yeah.
Like, that's how they do it crazy. They didn't say
Jack went in there, Emma went in there. Jack and Emma were. Whoa. You know what's kind of crazy?
Cameron.
Mom, are we getting in? There's people waiting.
Yes. Go ahead and get in.
Sorry.
Sure.
What time is it? What? 5, 6. Oh, it's like 6. And we're going to a Super Bowl party with free food. Then we're driving home.
From sea to shining sea.
We're at the Super Bowl party and they have a Tesla here.
Because you limited time only. Try the Mac Jr. and Grand Big Mac.
Even the bathrooms at this place are so nice. Like, I'm confused.
Trap 240 floors in the air.
they showed the cast of This Is Us on the Jumbotron, and I can officially say tonight was great. Hi guys, I'm just editing this vlog and realized that I never ended it, so I wanted to end it right here. But I know this was kind of just like a short vlog, not really too much happened, but we decided to take a last minute trip to Miami, which isn't too far from us. It's like an hour and a half away from us, but I wanted to vlog it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. This video is going up on I can't speak. This video is going up on my main channel instead of my vlog channel. I really just want to focus on my main channel right now. I'm going to be uploading vlogs and everything to my main channel for a bit. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Follow me on all my socials. Oh, I can't talk today. Follow me on all my socials. As always, they're linked down below. Subscribe. We are super close to 2.4 thousand subscribers, which is insane. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.